Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to adjust the temperature in your shower. This is a Delta shower faucet and this is very simple to do. It's not going to be a crazy long video. Really all you need is this Allen wrench. This is a 3/32 size and that's it. You don't even need to shut the water off to do this. So all we're going to do first is put a towel down over our drain because we're going to be loosening this screw right here. So we'll loosen this up. And we just don't want to drop this down the drain, so you just want to put a towel or a rag or something down. And we'll take this right out so you can see what it looks like. Okay. You can see that's what it looks like. So we'll just set this off to the side real quick. And then this handle is just going to lift straight out. It might be a little stuck, but this one came right off, so you're just going to pull straight out. And also what you could do before you do this, you can turn your water on just to get a mental image of how far this handle goes. So you can see that's how far our handle rotates right now. And then we'll take our handle back off. And this is going to expose the cartridge. Now this piece right here, if you have a leaky, if your shower's leaking, this is most likely the culprit. And I do have a video on how to replace this, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and check that out. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to adjust the hot, or how to change the temperature. So you can see here, I don't know if you could read it there, but it says on this little plastic piece, it says hotter that way. So hotter, you would turn it counterclockwise, and colder, you would turn it clockwise. So if your water is too hot and you want to adjust it for your family so they're not scalding themselves, you would pull this out and then just twist it, and you can see there's little grooves. So the default that this came when I installed it, that this line right here was in line with the second groove. So if we want to make it colder, we're just going to pull this straight out, rotate it clockwise, and then if we want to make it hotter, we're going to pull this out and rotate it counterclockwise, and that's going to allow the handle to travel more towards the hot side to make it hotter. Or if we're going to twist it this way, it's going to stop the handle at a certain point. So right here, the handle would probably be stopping here, where normally it would be stopping right here. So I want it a little bit hotter, so I'm going to go ahead and crank it all the way up. And then all we're going to do is put our handle back on. And then we could test it before you even put the screw in. You could turn it and test it. So we're just going to test it, turn it on, make sure it's at the correct temperature. And then as long as it's at the correct temperature, we could put our Allen screw back in right here and just tighten that down and snug it up. The one thing I will say is just make sure you tell your family or whoever's living with you that you adjusted the water temperature, because some people might just have a setting that they like and they'll, turn it on to that setting, not realizing that it's been changed, and scald themselves, or they'll be taking too cold of a shower. So, yeah, just make sure you tell your family about, the changes you made. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, be sure to like this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.